Oh man, I gotta really get that finished. Morning. So I picked up an extra shift at work today, so I'm getting ready to head for that. I'm running a little bit late. Today I actually planned to pull the exhaust off a donor car from U-Port, or like a self-serve auto dismantler, so that I can cut and shut my own sort of rear end of my exhaust. But check that out, that's awesome. 240 Fair Lady Z. Woo! Oh, what I get. Crap, I just got here and realized you need a $2 coin to get in, and I've got no change at all. So I'm gonna go find some money. Okay, so I went and bought some lunch, which was super unhealthy, and I'm regretting it, and I really need to start eating nice things that aren't shit for food. Anyway, got some change, so let's go find a CB2 and grab some parts. They must not like us Mazda drivers very much, because they put me all the way up the back of the yard. Sucks, but oh my god, look, so many Mazdas. CB2s though. That's gonna be the question. So many 323s and things. Oh wow, okay, not all the way down the end of the yard. More Masters, more Masters, more Masters. No CBs though. Oh man, where are the CB2s at? So they haven't got my car in the yard, but I've found a couple of like the older, like the 323, like the model underneath. I found a couple of those, and the flanges, if you look underneath, flanges look pretty much the same. So for 25 bucks, that's a risk worth taking. So I'm gonna pull it off, and then if I can at least chop the flanges off, then I'll just pipe and like build one out of the piping and cut and chop and make it work. Do what you can with what you got to make the skids. I just got to get you off the knob. I should buy some wheels while I'm here too, actually, because they come off apart with a 14 mil spanner. I'll worry about that down the tracks. Come on. Bitch. Come on. Got it. Awesome. So I left my keys at the car where I was pulling the muffler off, so I had to go back and get them. But I've got my muffler. The flange is roughly right by the looks of it, so it should work. Now it's just a case of cutting and chopping and sorting it out. So that's Friday's job. Okay, so it's Friday. It's time to pull the other exhaust off the car, see if the flanges meet up, and try and cut and shut and build an exhaust for this car. There's a lot of spiders living in this thing though. It's been sitting here for like 3 months. Ew, there's webs in the car. Oh man, I'm gonna get bit. Okay, so I've dummied up my exhaust, and we're going to try and dummy fit it and see if it works, and if our clearances are alright, I'll weld it all up so it's completely gas sealed, and fit it, and we're good to go. It's going to be pretty sweet, cheap and easy job, really. Oh wow, that car's got king springs in it. That won't fit my car. Oh.